In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Minecraft Bedrock shaders in 1.21. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download shaders for Minecraft Bedrock. This will work for version 1.21 and even older ones. I'm gonna teach you how to find these shader packs, how to enable them, and use them on any world that you are playing Minecraft Bedrock in. So first, you will need to download a specific shader pack. You can find them on places like mcplpedl.com or places like CurseForge. I recommend browsing through CurseForge, but if you want to, you can download them through mcpedl. So look for this website on Google or go to CurseForge. Then you will be able to browse through mods, and you can look under texture packs for shaders. You can do the exact same thing on CurseForge. Just look for the word shaders and you will find them here. So once you find a specific shader that you want to use, click on the download option. All of them will be available, so if you do this through MCPEDL, you scroll all the way down and at the bottom you will find downloads. Just make sure that you choose the appropriate version. If you need to check your version, just go inside of Minecraft on the home screen and look at the bottom right. So I am on version 1.21.81. For this video, I chose to use Lunix shaders, but you can use any shader available as long as it is compatible with the Minecraft version. When you download these shaders, usually they will arrive on an MC-pack file. All that you have to do is open this file, and Minecraft should open automatically. This will import the shaders, and as you can see, it failed because I already have it. Once the shader has been imported, go into the settings, and you will be able to find it listed under Global Resources. In here, make sure that it is activated. So click on it and then activate. Now you will have this custom menu related to the shader that you are going to use. So to actually use it, you go inside of a world, and this is very important. You need to go into Edit and make sure that under Experiments, Vibrant Visuals are enabled. So you can only use shaders on 1.21 if Vibrant Visuals are enabled. So keep that in mind. Go into your world, Edit, and under Experiments, you will see Vibrant Visuals. With this option enabled, you are basically good to go. You can now head over inside of the world and configure the shader that you are using. So as you can see, this is what Lunix looks like. And you will be able to go into the settings of the shader pack and configure it here. If needed, make sure that you activate it by going over to Vibrant Visuals or any other option like that. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shaders in Minecraft Bedrock 1.21. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.